in New York City, and there's a lot of fireworks going on. It's not a 4th of July yet, it's still June. Few more days going to be 4th of July. There will be big firework in New York City, which they do every year. It's very beautiful and spend so much money, and the millions of people come from all over to watch firework in New York. While I'm making the video, I can see right in front of me, it's the top of the bridge. Actually, they do every year. So this is the day they do firework, just like the initial, the beginning of the July, but July will start day after tomorrow. Then a few more days will be big firework. Lot of design. It's amazing. There's so many organizations in New York, they spend so much money because the 4th of July, when America got independence, 1776. Like 300 years almost plus. Traffic is moving very well. This is the water, the other side of the water actually. So the traffic is right there, bottom, both sides. And the water is coming from Atlantic Ocean. This water goes around the Manhattan, which is the New York City, also called Manhattan. I'm making this video from my apartment. Shadow comes to the water. These on the bridge. Traffic is moving well, but they have also emergency vehicles just to cover up. Right, one after the other. It's moving right along. It's going right after one, then coming another. And they have like a programming. When they shoot up, then they have programming. So system runs well. Sat up in the boat actually, and then they go from other side of the river because the river is on both sides. And middle of that is the island. This is a small island where they have buildings and those. So I have to go from the bridge basically. So I'm going to keep this video short. So I'm going to turn off now just to upload.